Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, bringing you another Kia factory backup camera repair video. So this happens to be a 2011 Kia Sportage EX that had the factory Kia camera, as I'm holding here in my hand. But as you will see, it fell victim to our Canadian climate, which is lots of water, lots of salt, and lots of rust. So this camera failed. This was actually the second time that this camera failed in this vehicle. The first time it was fixed under warranty by Kia. Now the vehicle is out of warranty, so that's where we came in to fix it. Now what we used was a Rydeen CMIR cube camera in the factory location. So we took out the Kia camera and we modified the location to fit this Rydeen CMIR, which is going to give the added benefit of infrared LEDs for better night vision. It looks pretty OEM, looks pretty factory. It's a little bit smaller than the factory opening, but we were able to seal that up behind so no water will get in. But it is the factory location. I will just hop into the vehicle here to show you how it works. We're just finishing up an install here on this vehicle. So the original factory backup camera appears in the rearview mirror here. We actually disabled that. We've now put it into the Kenwood. If I push the cam button, this vehicle's got the Kenwood dash camera. If I tap the screen, there's the Rydeen backup camera with the guidelines. And then obviously if I were to put this vehicle in reverse, it's in neutral right now, but if I were to put it in reverse, it would switch to the backup camera automatically. But we've got it wired up so it works through the cam button of the Kenwood radio. So that pretty much sums up this video. If you or someone you know does have a Kia or a Hyundai vehicle that has a factory backup camera that's failed, it's much cheaper if the vehicle's out of warranty to let us fix it with an aftermarket Rydeen or similar backup camera. We would love to do that for you. You can give us a call, 1-866-824-4118, or visit us on the web at lockdownsecurity.ca. We do all sorts of things like in-dash entertainment. We do remote starters. We do dash cameras. This particular vehicle, as I was mentioning, is pretty cool. It's got the Kenwood dash camera that comes through this Kenwood radio. If you want to see that, that's the Kenwood dash camera right there. This happens to be a DMX7704S head unit. And then we've got the Rydeen backup camera, as mentioned, connected to. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you could, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.